mai hoki mai kia Toi Time. Oh, it's the trumpets! Yes! Let's go!
Jojo, do you think that, the compass is working?
Ehona! It's going to be such a great day. We are heading into the ngahere. I'm Explorer Jojo.
Ko mātātua Maya aho, and I'm ready for a forest adventure.
Did somebody say adventurer? I'm coming too. Tēnā koutou. I'm Adventurer Tama. But first, I've got a question. Hey, mōhio,
Morena Explorers, how can I help?
what is a forest?
A forest is a large collection of trees that provides a home to lots of animals and insects and other plants.
Whoa, cool. Did you know that trees have been around for millions of years? That's since the dinosaurs were alive.
Wait a moment. Are you saying that we might see dinosaurs in the forest?
That would be awesome. Engari, ka. Dinosaurs are extinct. That means there are none left anywhere.
Yeah.
I've never been to the forest, but I can't wait to find the biggest tree I can and give it a big hug.
I'm not a tree, Jojo, but you can still have a hug.
Hey, once you guys have finished hugging, shall we go?
Oh,
To the ngahere! Yeah, this way.
Oh, wow! What a beautiful tree, Tama.
Hey, and look at all the leaves and birds and fruit to decorate it with.
it's awesome, huh? This is the tree of wisdom. Will you help me finish it?
Sure.
Okay, we just have to place the remaining fruit on the tree. Grab a bunch.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
It was a beautiful morning in the Toi Time forest. Aya and Jojo were out for a walk when they came upon the tree of wisdom.
Jojo, we found it! The tree of wisdom. Oh, tēnā koe te rangatira.
Tēnā koe, tree of wisdom.
Tēnā kōrua. What would you like to know?
Do I really have to eat all my vegetables, tree of wisdom?
It is important to eat lots of different foods, Maya, including vegetables. Keep tasting new foods until you find ones you like.
Okay, I guess I'll give them another chance.
Will I ever win an Olympic gold medal?
If you keep practicing, then almost anything is possible, Jojo.
Oh, I do have another question. Why don't worms have eyebrows?
Because they don't have eyes, Maya.
Oh, yeah.
whānau, tree of wisdom. Can I give you a hug?
Aye. Oh.
Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. Look at all the trees, the rocks and shrubs, brown and orange and green. Then down low you might see some grubs. Such great sights waiting to be seen. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. If we need a shelter, we could build a hut. Gather some sticks and leaves. Pick up pine needles to cover it up. We can stay inside as long as we please. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. Can you hear that trickling sound? We might find a river or creek. Whited air, waterfall up high, splashing everything that's around the stream. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see. Roll up tight like a pico. Stand up tall like a curly tree. Walk in the forest of Tanemahuta. There's so much for us to see.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm in the ngahere and I'm going exploring. Let's see what we can find, eh? Come on. Ha! Whoa, look what I found already. I found a leaf skeleton and I found some pine cones. I'm gonna see if I can juggle the pine cones. All right, here we go. Oh, I dropped them already. All right, let's see what else we can find. Woo! Oh, got a little friend. Tēnā koe, this cicada shell. I love the noises of the ngahere. What can you hear? I can hear cicadas and the tui. Did you hear that? Come on. Oh, look, it's an amazing playground. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, check out this obstacle course. Let's see if I can do the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. Whoa, this is pretty high. Okay, careful, careful. All right, now I have to maneuver my way over to this thing. 1, 2, 3, go, Buzz. He's made it. To the other side. Woo. Careful. Careful. We're doing good. We're doing good. Let's go this way. Okay. Go, Buzz. Oh, swing. Feet go up. Woo! That was hard. Okay, now for the finale. Across the rickety bridge. Made it! That was so awesome, Te whānau. Let's see what else we can play on. Wow! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! What an amazing day it's been today. I'm so happy I found this playground. Ka kite anō whānau. Woo!
All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. Take a closer look, you'll be surprised at what you find. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. On the ground and in the trees, let's open up our eyes. Did I just see a hedgehog scurry on the ground? Look, is that a bellbird making such a lovely sound? Creepy crawly weather, see it climbing up that tree. There I see a ngahere with something in its beak. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. Take a closer look, you'll be surprised at what you find. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. On the ground and in the trees, let's open up our eyes. See that tuatara, it's sunbathing on a rock. Nearly squished a hoo-hoo grub that gave me quite a shock. Let's open up our eyes.
Titiro, I found this beautiful leaf in the forest. I'm going to make a leaf rubbing. You put the leaf under a piece of paper, like this, and gently rub over the top with a crayon. And a leaf appears. See?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Yeti.
Yeti who?
Yeti me in. It's Takarota.
Ah, kia ora, Buzz. Ko mai.
Matatini. Hey, cool picture.
Oh, thanks. I made it using this leaf that I found in the forest.
Whoa, that's a mean-ass idea. I've got an idea. Let's go on a scavenger hunt in the ngahere.
A scavenger hunt? Okay, yeah.
Reko.
Woohoo!
Bing. This is a perfect spot, Jojo.
Okay. What are we looking for?
Oh, today we're gonna look for a pūa were were.
Okay.
A mumutawa. A weta.
Oh, where?
A pea. A manu. And a pūrereua.
I don't where.
Be so much fun.
But why are we whispering?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Jojo, above your head.
I know, I see it too.
It's a mumutawa.
Ah, so cute.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Its wings are whiro and there's a pango dots all over it. It's beautiful.
Buzz,
Huh?
what's over there?
Oh, it's a pūa were were.
Oh.
That's a ginormous one. Beautiful.
Oh.
Oh, weta. Those are prehistoric, those ones. That's a massive as one too. Crazy. And look, a little pea. those are my favourite because those go buzz just like me.
Oh, they sure do, cuz.
Look, it's a whānau. I'm going to try and grab it. Come here, little whānau. It's okay.
Oh.
Beautiful. It's so friendly. You want to pet it?
Kia ora.
Oh, I'm going to call it hairy. Short for really hairy. Oh, you can sit up here, little whānau. There you go. We're just missing one more. What are we missing? Oh, pūrere hua. Is it up around here? Can't hear. I reckon we might have to check somewhere else. What do you
Buzz?
think, Jen? What?
I think it's on your back.
What? It's on my back. Get it off. Get it off.
Oh.
It's stuck to my back. Beautiful.
Aww. Wow, there's so many beautiful taonga in the forest. Tēnā koe, Buzz.
Tēnā koe tāne. Oh, all of the scavenger hunting, looking for insects has made me hungry. Should we go scavenger hunt in the refrigerator?
Ah, I love it. Come on, Buzz.
Okay. Ka kite koutou.
Hi. This is my football. I love getting to go. Marista. Yay! Cooking is fun. Yay! I get loads of goals. Yay! 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 Bye.
Boom, psh. Welcome to Auntie Anika's kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect snack for a walk in the forest, scroggin. Before we go any further, make sure you have your grown-up handy when you're making stuff in the kitchen, okay? Okay. Now, the best thing about scroggin is that you don't even need a recipe. You can just put anything you like in. Here are my favourite scroggin ingredients. We got chocolate, raisins, dried banana, sunflower seeds, and some peanut. Just peanuts, so. Okay, let's get going. And with bananas, there you go. Do, chocolate. Heaps of chocolate. Do, raisins. Do. And lastly, the healthy sunflower seeds, just a few. All of them! Right, now we mix. Now that it's all nicely mixed up, we can take it on our forest walk. Ka rawe, hei konara.
I'm searching for patu paiarehe, forest fairies. Be very quiet so we don't scare them away. Wow! Did you see that? A real-life forest fairy! Yee! Oh, I have to tell Oma right away. Ah, whai mai!
Hi! love listening to the birds because I like birds, but I don't have a pet bird at my house. And I really wish I could have a bird at my house. I'm trying to find a leaf bug. I found something! Get it! What? It's called a slater. I mean a spider that can fly. I don't know. You can go and explore in the ngahere. It's a ladybug. It's a ladybug. It doesn't tickle the eye. It's a slater.
It's so peaceful here amongst the trees. Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā koe, Tama. How can I help?
why does it feel so good to be in the forest?
Trees take something called carbon dioxide out of the air and turn it into oxygen, which is what we need to breathe. That's why walking in the forest is so peaceful, because there's lots of oxygen in the air.
Ha ki roto, ha ki waho. Thanks, Mōhio. And thank you, trees.
A bear walked into the forest and wanted to have a lovely sleep. But somebody scared that bear away, and he wept and wept and wept. It was a scary-looking girl called Marigold, with long wild hair and her teeth were pirate gold. She stomped her foot and everyone was told, it's my forest, I won't share. A monkey flew into the forest to eat a banana. Well, out of the blue, well, in she flew and she screamed, rah, 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 rah. It was a scary-looking girl called Marigold, with long wild hair and her teeth were pirate gold. She stomped her foot and everyone was told, it's my forest, I won't share. Marigold's mama walked into the forest to tell her daughter off. She said, sharing is caring, let the animals in. Come home with me and you can have some yummy dins. You smell super stinky, you need to wash. It's their forest, let them in.
Titiro mai. This is my cool new pot plant.
What is it, Jojo?
It's called horopito. See how it has beautiful pink leaves? Horopito is used in Brongoa Māori, traditional Māori healing. It can help with cuts, burns, and toothache. If you're hungry, you can even eat it. Just make sure you check with a grown-up before you taste any of your plants, okay?
Jojo, can we try some?
Sure.
Okay. And for you?
Now I know why some people call horopito the pepper tree.
It's Rau-kikini, spicy. And the award for the hottest and most amazing plant in the forest goes to horopito.
Super horopito. Dun 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 dun.
Hi. I've got some animals that live in the forest. Now, not all these animals live in forests, some live in jungles, and most of them live generated in Australia. So I'm gonna start off with the wolf. Wolves are big dogs, and they live in packs, and they're probably the most bravest animals that I know of. A tiger, because they're really cool animals. You can find bunnies everywhere, even in New Zealand. The Mr. Slithering Serpent. Snakes aren't in New Zealand, they're in Australia, so that's where you can meet them. So we've got a bear. There's only one breed of bear in New Zealand, and that's a red panda. This is a monkey. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows what a monkey is. If you're lucky, you will get to see a kiwi. They come out at night time because they're nocturnals, and they're usually seen on the ground because they don't live in trees. And they're very, very cute. Bye!
Talofa lava. I'm Lucky, and this is Story Time. Today's story is about the funny little trees on Tavita's plate. Broccoli. There was a funny-looking green thing on Tavita's plate. It looked like a little tree. Tavita's ainga had finished saying their dinner lotu when Auntie Maria told all the kids they had to eat their broccoli or there would be no dessert. Tavita looked over at his sister Tuila's plate. She had already eaten the little green tree. It made Tavita curious about what it tasted like, so he nibbled on the broccoli, and it made him pull a yucky-looking face. Tavita said, "Broccoli tastes funny, Auntie." She smiled and said, "Look at baby Tomasi. He loves broccoli. It's so good for you." They all giggled because Tomasi had broccoli everywhere, on his face, in his hair, and all over his high chair. Tavita ate all his broccoli in a silly way, making Tomasi and Auntie Maria laugh. Maybe broccoli is lots of fun after all. So far, soipua. See you next time.
Haere, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soifua e noho rā. Ka kite anō